Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have this integration. We need to prove that this one is smaller than this one. And here is about the hint. So now I want to show you how to answer. So do you know why do we have about 2 over b is smaller than or equals to sin x over x? So the first thing we need to consider about the function f of x equals to sin x over x. So we know that the integration that's from 0 to b over 2. That means they will start at number 0 and they stop at b over 2. If we go to graph the function in here, the graph from 0 to b over 2, they should be like this. Because when s approaches to number 0 cone here, they will go to positive infinity. When s approaches to b over 2, that means we have sine of b over 2 over b over 2. We calculate this one and we have 2 over b. And we can see that the value from 0 to b over 2, they always bigger than 2 over b. And this is the reason why we have this one. Now, we need to consider about the hint in here. The first thing I will put s go to the left. Later that we multiply by negative r for the both sides. So we change the sign of this one. Next, I will put e for the both sides. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we just concentrate about this one. So we have the formula in here. So the integration of this one, we will have about e to the power of negative r 2rs over b. Divide by negative 2r over b. And we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 cone here and number 0 cone here. And this one we have like this. If we put b over 2 gone here, we have e to the power of negative r. If I put number 0 gone here, we have e to the power of number 0, and that's e about number 1. The negative sign here will change the sign of this one. And this is the final answer. So we can put this one gone here. And you got the same formula in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.